Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to enable data saver mode on your Android devices. So first of all, launch settings on your Android device. From here, tap on the option of connections. Once you come here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of data usage. Tap on it. From here, you'll see the option of data saver. Tap on it. Now, in order to enable data saver, simply tap on this toggle and turn it on where you see the option of turn on now. With that, you will successfully be able to enable data saver mode on your Android devices. So once this is turned on, it helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.